What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be unboxing and giving you a quick review of this Realme 2 Pro. So this device I bought it from Flipkart for nearly about 15,000. So this is the package which I get it from the Flipkart. So above this obviously there is a package from Flipkart. So after some few layers of bubble wrap I will get this box. So this is the box, and on the front side here is the Realme 2 Pro branding, and here also the Realme 2 Pro. And on the downside here are some of the specifications mentioned on the device. As you can see here are the camera specifications. That is the rear camera 16+2 and the front camera is of 16 megapixel. And here's the price mentioned on the box is of 16,990, but I got it from Flipkart for just about 15,000. So that's a really great deal for this phone. The specifications of this phones are really great. And here is some of the barcodes and the IMEI numbers mentioned on the back side. So now let's quickly open this package and let's get into this device. So this comes off easily, and here is with the notch, and here is the Realme branding on this. And what they provide inside this is a case which is really good. Nowadays many of the smartphone companies like the Redmi also provide the cases like this. And here are some of the warranty cards and the user manual for this. So let's keep all these things aside. Now let's straight away get into this device. So this is the device which you are getting, and what are the things which you are getting else is the charging adapter. So this is the charging adapter. So let me focus it properly. So as you can see now, it has the output of 5 voltage and 5 volt and 2 amps. So it means that it doesn't support quick charging. And here is the Oppo branding on this. And as I said, it doesn't support the quick charging on this. So let's keep these chargers aside. And they are providing a standard USB cable and nothing else on this device. So that's it from the box. Now let's see the device. So as it comes like this, I have already opened this phone, and I have used this phone for about 1 day. So I have just wrapped this so that I can show that how it comes exactly out of the box. Now I would like to open this up, and that's the device which I am straight away getting from the box. As you can see, it has a really great glass finish back, and it has a drop notch on this. Sorry for the bad focus. So now let's quickly boot this device up. So here it is showing the Realme branding on this, and it is getting booted up. Now let's see the overview look of this. It has just a dual camera setup and a flash on this, and has a fingerprint sensor. And down it has a speaker grill and standard USB charging port, and a 3.5mm jack on this. And here it has the volume rockers on here, and here is the SD card. Here is the power button of this, as I already booted up this device. So now let's quickly unlock this device. Now let's check the speed of the fingerprint scanner, as I already set it up the fingerprint on this. So as I lock this, and as soon as I keep the fingerprint on this, it gets unlocked. So the speed of the fingerprint scanner is really fast, as you can see. Now let me give you a quick overview of the specs of this device. So the Realme 2 Pro comes with a processor of Snapdragon 660 SoC, that is the octa-core processor, and this device comes with a 6GB RAM and 64 gigs of RAM and ROM. It has a SIM slot of dual nano SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot. So that's a really great deal that they're giving a dedicated micro SD card slot for this. And the battery comprises of 3500 mAh battery. So that's also a really high capacity battery, and the gaming experience on this device is really great, I would say, as I love playing PUBG on this device. So it doesn't show me any kind of heat issues on this. Here's a notification, a quick sell notification, and the OS on this is that is the theme on this is the color OS. So that is also really nice to use. The notch is a drop notch. And now let's take a few sample shots of the camera. So let me focus this and let's see how it focuses. So it also has a tap to focus option. So these are some of the sample shots which I took just now. As you can see, the background of this pic is really blur, and it has focused the object really good. So that's a really great camera, as I would say, as it has a 16 megapixel camera with another 2 megapixel sensor. It also has that portrait mode in the selfie camera as well. So I would like to make a separate video on this camera of this device. And the back camera also has the portrait mode, and it has some few of the other modes as well. So now let's take a peek in the portrait mode. So this is the object. As I focus on this and I click a pic, now let's view the pic. So the pic looks good, but keep in mind one thing, that I am under an artificial lighting condition, so it will work really great in an normal lighting condition. It has a really smooth glass finish at the back and a really responsive fingerprint scanner. And the other unlocking techniques for this device is that it also supports the face unlock. So now let's talk about the negative points of this device. So the negative point is that it doesn't support quick charging. Even many of the mid-range phones supports the quick charging. And another negative point is that it just gives us a normal USB port for charging. They could have given us a Type-C cable so that it can have a really great charging speed. So nothing else as compared to the negative point of view. So according to me, at this price point, this is a really great device, and I would recommend everyone to go for this device if you are looking for a really great mid-range smartphone. So the overall points which I would like to give for this device is 9 out of 10. So as I said, that this is a really great device. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.